So you've made a video using Microsoft Clipchamp, imported the media, created the video, and then when you go to export, even if you're choosing the lowest resolution, the smallest file size, the fastest export method, for some reason, the video just won't export. After some time, you get this error message. Even trying to export at the lowest resolution, it's taken over 5 minutes for this message to appear. If you're trying to export at 4K, this could take considerably longer. The issue may be something to do with your imported media. As you can see here, all of these elements have loaded with the exception of this. To rectify the problem, you need to remove the offending element from your imported media, which will delete it from your video. Should you then try to export, even at the highest resolution, you will find that the video immediately begins to export with no issues.